Hello everyone and welcome back to Jurgen English Channel, the place where learning English is easy and super fun. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Hi everyone, it's so great to see you again.
Alex, you look very happy today. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you look excited too.
Yes, I am very excited for our topic today. But first, please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button and share this video with your friends. It really helps us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Mia, are you ready?
I'm ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today's topic is Tell me about yourself. This is a very common question in English.
People ask it in new classes, new jobs, at parties, and when meeting someone new. Sometimes it feels hard, but today we will make it easy and fun.
Perfect. Let's start with me. Mia, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Mia. M-I-A. I am from Indonesia. I live in Jakarta in a big apartment. It is noisy, but I love it. I am 24 years old. I am a design student. I have one brother named Rian. He is 26. My mother is a teacher and my father is a chef. I have a cat named Momo. She is white and black and very sleepy.
Wow, that's wonderful. Now my turn. My name is Alex. A-L-E-X. I am from Australia. I live in a small house near the beach. It has a garden. I am 27 years old. I am an English teacher and I love my job. I have one sister named Emma. She is younger and studies music. My mother is a writer and my father is a doctor. I have a dog named Buddy. He is brown, friendly and very playful.
A dog person and a cat person. So different, but nice. Now let's talk about favourite things.
Good idea. What is your favorite food, Mia?
I love nasi goreng. It is spicy and delicious. What about you?
My favorite food is pizza, especially vegetable pizza with tomatoes and peppers. I also like pasta.
Nice. My favourite colour is green, like the trees and grass. What is yours?
Blue, like the sky. Very calm. My favorite animal is a dog, of course, because of Buddy. What about you?
Cat. Cats are elegant and independent. Now hobbies. I love drawing and painting every weekend. I also like reading adventure storybooks. What are your hobbies?
I love listening to rock music and playing soccer with friends every Saturday. I also enjoy watching comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. I like animated movies because they are so beautiful. Okay, now things we don't like.
I don't like olives. The taste is strange for me. I also don't like waiting in long lines.
I don't like very spicy food that burns my mouth, and I don't like waking up early. I love sleep.
See? Sharing likes and dislikes shows your personality.
Now let's practice short versions for real life. At school you can say, "Hi, my name is Mia. I'm from Indonesia. I'm a design student and I love painting."
At a new job. Hello, I'm Alex. I'm from Australia. I'm an English teacher and I enjoy playing soccer.
At a party. "Hi, I'm Mia. I love cats and adventure books. What about you?"
It's not a scary question. It's an invitation to make new friends.
We covered name, where from, where you live, age, job, family, pets, favourites, and dislikes. You don't need to say everything at once. Choose what fits the situation.
Now it's your turn to practice. Go to the comments and write 3 to 4 sentences about yourself. Example: My name is blank. I am from blank. I am blank years old. I like blank.
We will read your comments and reply to as many as possible. It will be fun.
Thank you so much for watching this longer episode. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and share with anyone learning English.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye everyone. Bye Mia.
Bye Alex. Bye friends.